How to fix stuck at 60 FPS on Rainbow Six Siege. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to the settings in the top right, then click options. Then head over to display, and then make sure the VSync is turned off, and make sure that in the FPS limit you select off as well. Also, if your monitor supports it, make sure that you select more than 60 Hz in this area right here. And it should work now. However, if it still doesn't work, then make sure you head over to Windows. So from here, type in NVIDIA control panel. Once you open this, make sure you head over to change resolution and select the higher refresh rate here. And there you go. Now your game should run at more than 60 FPS. And there you go, now your game shouldn't be capped at 60 FPS anymore. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.